morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to West Yard of Lauderdale Marine Center, which is the home of the Catamaran Company. So I wanted to take a few minutes today and describe to you how we're different, what we've done in the interim to grow. The market continues to go up and down, but Catamaran Company continues to thrive. We have several different locations. In Annapolis, Maryland, we own 3 marinas. We have the main sales office here with 6 full-time brokers. Kima, Texas Boardwalk, San Diego. We're now in Grenada. We have our charter base in Hodges Creek and Tortola. We have people everywhere to take care of you. So I get asked every day, what makes you different in the catamaran world? Well, I'm glad you asked because I'm going to share it with you. We have basically created very easily a one-stop shop. So we have an in-house closing department. We provide people with financing opportunities as well as insurance opportunities. We do about 250 transactions on an annual basis worldwide. Just make it super simple for you guys to pick out a boat and sail off into the sunset. Here at CatamaranRow in the West Yard of Lauderdale Marine Center, we have several slots, as you'll see, 210 feet of space, stern to, for catamarans. Why is that so important? Where you want to position your boat, the biggest thing is to have people look at it. It's just like real estate. Market it with the person that can get it in front of the most clients. For 50 people a week on average to come by, qualified buyers, look at starting out with a 34-foot boat going up to a 62-foot boat. There's nowhere else that you can go to see that. So it's basically a showroom. This as an example, this boat was here for 3 days. 3 days before it was sold. We're going to walk down Catamaran Row today to kind of show you the boats that we have here. This is a 62-foot Sunreef. It was here for 3 days and sold. We have a brand new Lagoon 380, hull number 859. See a couple of these inventory boats. Catamaran Company loves to have inventory on hand. So let's keep walking down. Brand new Lagoon 40. Huge amount of equipment on that. It's very comfortable. Again, owner's version. You'll see the option of the teak in the back and so on and so forth. Loaded up with electronics, ready to go. Turnkey, ready to go. Don't say that too often about boats, but that one actually is. And they do come with warranty, so there's a value there. Is this going to be your spot? Yesterday, Lagoon 52 was sitting there. It was sold and it's on its way to Mexico. The last boat we have here today is a 3-cabin Lagoon 46. Again, it was a boat show boat, completely kitted out, generator, air conditioning, aft decks and teak and so on and so forth. So one of the features of this boat specifically I like is the tender lift. When you float the dinghy, when it comes down, the sides come out, float the dinghy off, and you have a whole deck going across the back of the boat. The boat is set up to be that way. Again, the focal point of the boat is the aft part of the boat when you're underway, when you stop, and the water sports activities. This gentleman over here is full-time with us here at the Catamaran Company. Every day he's out here washing boats, taking care of the boats. So your boat will get the utmost care to make it presentable, to actually have it for sale, and that works out quite effectively. What a brilliant showroom that we've created here. Works for buyers and sellers. It's important that you understand that we've created this for everybody. We've spent the time and the money to make it super simple to go through this process. People will come to me and say, man, you made it easy. It's not a gut-wrenching surge to do business with you. So you need to call in and talk to one of us just to get a feel for it, even if you're 6 months, a year away from it. So it's very important that you understand the team effort that goes into this. And CatamaranRow is a huge part of it. Thanks for watching today.